Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to share with you my Bali box. In this gift box I have the Cherry Blossom body wash and body lotion. I have the plush bear in the back. I've added a candle to this, as well as a bag of the kisses. And front and center is our Bali all natural soap there, and that is in the fragrance of plumeria. This box is a mixture of Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Temu. I decided to lay the kisses down just to give some depth to the box. And I think that this turned out really cute. I have already sold 3 of these boxes, and that was the one that I made. I made 3 more to include into my pop-up this coming Saturday. My bows are getting better, y'all. So I shrink wrapped this one, and I did put a bow on it. And this one is done. The candles were $1 each. So I bought all the ones that they had there. I hope this gives you some ideas and inspiration on different items that you can buy and how you can put some of your baskets together. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Thank you for tuning in. Be blessed and be a blessing. Bye-bye.